Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to my channel. Get ready to transform your skin with the power of rice water. In this quick and effective skincare routine, we'll show you how to use rice water for a radiant glow. Rice water is known for its soothing and brightening properties, making it an excellent natural toner for all skin types. It helps to tighten the skin, reduce the appearance of pores, and improve overall skin texture. Additionally, rice water can aid in reducing inflammation and providing hydration, leaving your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. Regular use of rice water can also enhance skin elasticity, making it a great anti-aging remedy that reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Moreover, it can help with hyperpigmentation and dark spots, giving you an even skin tone. First, rinse 1 cup of rice thoroughly to remove any impurities. Then, place the rinsed rice in a bowl and add 2 cups of water. Let the rice soak for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 30 minutes, strain the rice and collect the water in a clean container. This water is now infused with vitamins and minerals that can brighten and tighten your skin. To apply, soak a cotton pad in the rice water and gently pat it onto your clean face. Let it air dry, allowing your skin to absorb the beneficial nutrients. You can leave it on overnight for an extra glow or rinse it off after 20 minutes if you prefer. Use this routine 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Additionally, rice water is rich in antioxidants that protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. It can also help in reducing sun damage and improve the healing process of the skin. With its ability to enhance the skin barrier, rice water keeps your skin hydrated and less prone to dryness. Enjoy your glowing, rejuvenated skin. If you want a recipe for rice water serum, tell me in the comments section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and give me a thumbs up. This gives us even more courage to make better videos in the future, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself, take care of your family and people around you, and spread love. Goodbye.